Hello, this is Simon Romandas from Being with Momojo. Today, we're gonna say you that viewers of YouTubers and Beybladers that subscribing me and not subscribing me, please subscribe on me. Alright, the giveaways will expire in October 3rd, 2013, and the another giveaways will return here in or coming soon in the Philippines from United States because I ordered from eBay lots of base, Spark Effects, Diablo Nemesis, Eldrago Destructor, Eldrago Machine, Galaxy Pegasus, Silver Edition, Legend Ares, then what's that? Aladra 40, Death Quetzalcoatl, and Cyber Pegasus, and so many lots of base and main launchers, so many of them, and launcher grip, so many of them. I will give away 5 launcher grips in the first place, second place, 4 launcher grips, and for the third place, 2 launcher grips and 1 Baypoint card. Alright, and a Bay pointer. That's all. And for the others that would have passed the giveaways, that's that good because I will give them some base too. Right, some base, but some that 40, that 0G, and that Spark FX. It's all the Storm Pegasus, Storm Aquario, Dark Bull, and Rock Leo, that's all. And for the first place, possible that they're gonna win a Spark Effects, Jump New Nemesis, Prototype Nemesis, all of Nemesis, and then Launcher Grip and Launchers, and a 1 base stadium. Alright? This is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Make this video your favorite. Simon Ruedas.